Hello. Welcome back. Today we'll explore comparison operators and logical operators to make decisions based on certain conditions. First, we have a few comparison operators. The equal to operator checks if two things are the same. The not equal to operator checks if two things are not the same. The greater than operator compares if one thing is bigger than the other. And the less than operator compares if one thing is smaller than the other. Next, we have logical operators. The AND operator is used to check if both conditions are true. It returns true only if both conditions are true. The OR operator is used to check if at least one condition is true. It returns true if one or both conditions are true. The NOT operator is used to negate a condition. It makes a true condition false, and vice versa. Let's now see these operators in action with some examples. We define the number of dogs as 5 and the number of cats as 3. Let's perform some comparisons. First, we check if the number of dogs is equal to 5. The result is true, and it will be displayed as output. Next, we check if the number of cats is not equal to 3. The result is false, and it will be displayed as output. Now, we compare if the number of dogs is greater than 3. Since 5 is indeed greater than 3, the result is true. Similarly, we compare if the number of cats is less than 2. Since 3 is not less than 2, the result is false. Let's combine these comparisons using logical operators. We use the AND operator to check if the number of dogs is greater than 3 and the number of cats is less than 2. Since both conditions are not satisfied, the result is false. On the other hand, we use the OR operator to check if the number of dogs is greater than 3 or the number of cats is less than 2. Since at least one condition is true, the result is true. Finally, we use the NOT operator to negate the condition. We check if the number of dogs is not greater than 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, the result is false. Now, let's move on to a conditional statement using if-else. We have three variables, apples, oranges, and bananas. We want to check if we have enough fruits for a fruit salad. Inside the if statement, we check if the number of apples is greater than 2 and the number of oranges is less than 10 and the number of bananas is exactly 3. If all conditions are met, we output, we have a good fruit salad. However, if any of the conditions are not satisfied, we move to the else block and output "Oh, we need more fruits." That concludes the execution of the JavaScript code. By utilizing comparison operators and logical operators, we can make decisions and control the flow of our program based on specific conditions. I have a short quiz for you. Do you think you can get them all right? What is the output of 3 equals to 10? Right answer A. Is 10 greater than 20 and 20 less than 50? Right answer D. Thank you for listening. Happy coding!